So hello everyone. So in this video we'll be seeing the next unit topics, unit 4 unit topics. So the first thing we'll be studying is hidden surface elimination. We'll be seeing 5 methods in which the hidden surface of the object, that is the back surface which we will not be able to see, will be eliminated. So we'll see 5 new methods such as back face detection method, Z buffer algorithm, A buffer algorithm, scan line algorithm, and painter's algorithm. Next, we'll be seeing many surface rendering methods. So till now we have seen many topics in computer graphics, such as what is computer graphics, applications of computer graphics, random raster scan display, and how a CRT monitor works. Many line algorithms such as DDA, Bresenham's line algorithm, and we saw midpoint circle and midpoint ellipse drawing algorithm. We saw what is scan line, flood filling, and boundary filling methods. Then we saw what are output primitives, grayscale level, color coding levels. And in second and third unit, we saw 2D transformation, 3D transformation, 2D viewing, 3D viewing, clipping like line clipping algorithm, polygon clipping, text clipping algorithms. And in 3D we saw viewing pipeline and parallel and perspective projection. So the surface rendering methods is a extension of those things. So in surface rendering methods we'll be seeing like what are light sources. So I hope you have a tube light in your room. So you can see that in your room the wall closer to the tube light will be highly illuminated, while the wall away from the tube light will be less illuminated. So we'll see many illuminating methods like ambient, diffused, etc. So next we will be seeing polygon rendering methods. So in polygon rendering methods we'll be seeing what is shading. So we'll see many types of shading like flat shading, Gouraud shading, Phong shading, etc. And the last topic in unit 4 and this computer graphics series lecture is computer animation. So in computer animation we'll be seeing what is computer animation, design of animation sequence, some important concepts in animation sequence, what is general computer animation function, what is raster animations, and many computer animation languages we'll be seeing. We'll be seeing some important topics like keyframe systems and motion specifications. So with this we are covering the topics of unit 4, and in the next video we'll be seeing in detail about hidden surface elimination methods. So thank you.